adjectives and adverbs. Can someone tell me what an adjective is? Yes, Lorella.
Something that describes a noun.
Good. And what's a noun?
A person, place.
Do you guys agree?
Yes.
Yeah? Who can give me some examples of nouns? Nouns. Perla.
The chicken. No.
The chicken. Okay. That's a thing. Who can give me an example of a person noun?
Mexico.
Is that a person? A person noun. A noun that's a person, yeah.
Tom.
Tom. Good.
Tom.
And then what's a place? Give me a place. Christopher, what was the place you said? Mexico. Okay. So let's look at some of these examples. Cranky grandmother. Which one's the noun? Which one's the adjective? Andy.
Cranky. The adjective.
Okay. And what's the noun?
The grandmother.
Okay. The next one. Tropical forest. Kezia. Which one is the noun and which one is the adjective?
Tropical is the adverb, and
Who? Do you guys agree? Does anyone want to help her out? Perla.
the tropical is the adjective, the forest is
Do you guys agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. And white rabbit. White is the, everybody say it together.
adjective.
And rabbit is the,
Noun.
okay. Slow computer. Slow is the,
Adjective.
computer is the,
Noun.
happy thoughts. Happy is the,
Adjective. Noun.
good. Okay. Now adverbs. Adverbs are words that describe verbs. But what are verbs, guys? Someone I haven't heard from. Jarvis, what's a verb?
A verb is something that you do.
Yeah. What's another way to say that? Perla?
Like something active.
Active. Something you do, something active. Give me an example of a verb, Exxon. Something you do.
Oh.
A verb, not an adverb, a verb. Let's give them a minute.
Do it. 70.
They're just a verb, not an adverb.
Oh, okay.
Just a regular old verb, an action word. So what am I doing right now? Is that a verb?
Yeah.
Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me another one. Christopher.
Jump.
Jump? Is that a verb?
Yeah.
Yes. Andy, what's another one? You had your
What did this word say again?
jump?
Oh.
We got jump, we got run. We have,
I was
did
about
we
to
do
say
walk?
no. That's what I'm doing.
Walk, okay, I read your mind. Yeah. Just the verb. Run, walk, jump,
Swim.
swim. Write is another one. Read is another one. You're doing it. Okay, so if I just said, I walk, how exciting of a sentence is that? It's pretty boring, and that's why we invented adverbs. Adverbs describe the verb. So a lot of times you'll see them ending in ly. So I walked slowly, or I slowly walked. So then it's describing that I walked so slowly. Who can give me another example of a verb and an adverb modifying it? Yes, Perla.
The chicken is.
Well, let's start with the verb. So what is the chicken doing?
The chicken. Like. No. How about the fish? No. How Kezia swim.
Okay, that more exciting by adding an adverb. Describe how she swims.
Kezia, like impression.
Impatiently swims. Is that what you said?
I mean, like she trying to express something, like make somebody think like she is like a really good swimmer or a cool.
Okay. So how would you put an adverb in front of swims? How would you put an adverb? How would you describe how she's swimming?
Kezia
Swam impressively? Is that what you mean? Impressively? That could work. You could say Kezia swam impressively. Like very nicely. She swam beautifully. She swam eloquently. What else? What's another thing you could describe swimming with, Jarvis?
She swam quickly.
Quickly. Yeah. Okay, good. So normally, like we said, it'll be ly. Sometimes, though, you'll have other examples of adverbs, like often. She swims often. She almost swims. She sometimes swims. But we're mostly going to talk about the ly's today. Okay. Now, why do we want to know about adjectives and adverbs? That's really important. Who knows why we would want to use adjectives and adverbs? Like I could just say Kezia swims. I could just say the dog ran. I could just say, you know, the teacher taught. Why do we want to use adjectives and adverbs? Does anyone other than Pearl know? What do you think, Exxon?
I just say animals walk.
So here we have an example of if we had the sentence animals walks, and then we could say the awesome animals quickly walked, or the amazing animals walked beautifully. Why would you want to change it? Why would you want to add those adjectives and adverbs? Yeah, Perla.
So I can sound more excited.
Ah, what'd you say? Say it louder so everyone can hear you.
So it can sound more exciting.
So it can sound more exciting. Because all of your writing, if you never used an adjective and you never used an adverb, it would be really boring, right, Perla? So when you add adjectives and you add adverbs, it makes your writing much more exciting. And most of all the books that you guys read use a lot of adjectives and adverbs, and that's what makes it exciting to you. Because when you're reading something, you want as many details as possible so you can understand what's happening, right? Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a sentence. Let's see, let me turn this off for a second. I'm going to give you guys a sentence, and I want you to talk at your tables and try to make this sentence more exciting. Okay, talk to your tables and try to come up with an adjective or an adverb or both that you could add to it. Actually, how about this? You guys come up with an adverb, something to describe red, so something that comes before red. You guys come up with an adjective to describe book, okay? So you guys are describing book with an adjective. You guys are describing red with an adverb. Okay, time's up. This table, what do you think we could describe red? We could put in front of here.
We could have got nothing.
surprisingly read an awesome book. So she was surprised because it was so awesome, right? Now let's read it again. I surprisingly read an awesome book. Now compare that to our last sentence. I read a book. Which one's better? Which one do you guys?
Surprisingly read an awesome book.
Why do you like it better, Christopher?
Because
Why does it sound better? I read a book. I surprisingly read an awesome book.
Because we added in an adverb and an adjective.
And it made it more interesting? Yes. Okay. Good. Let's do another one together. Let's see. The cat meowed. This time, you guys are going to do the adjective, which is going to describe the noun. So what word are you guys going to describe? Good. Cat. You guys are going to do the adverb, which describes a what? Meow, right. The verb is meow. Okay? Go ahead. Okay, so who is describing who's got my adjective? Your group? How do you want to describe? Scary. And then who's got my adverb? How did the cat meow? The scary cat.
We just came up with we just prepared the scary cat.
Quickly meow, the scary cat. Frighteningly meow, the scary cat. Oh, you have to come up with your own. Those are just examples. The scary cat. What do you have, Jarvis? Loudly. Yeah, do you guys like that one?
Yeah.
Loudly.
They said that no one.
Loudly meowed. Which one's my adjective? Which one is my, oh, I spelled scary wrong. Which one is my adverb? Loudly. Good. Now let's read it. The cat meowed, and then after we made it better, the scary cat loudly meowed. Which one do you guys like better, first or second? Okay. Good. Now, does everybody have a whiteboard and a dry erase marker?
Yes.
Okay. Good. All right, we're going to do an activity. Okay, does everybody have everything they need? Everyone should be sitting then. Okay, let's wait for everyone to get quiet. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a sentence up here, and you guys are going to, well, you're not going to circle it, but you're going to write the adjective in this sentence. The adjective. Do not find the adverb. Find the adjective. It's going to modify a noun. Write it and then show it to me.